Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. If you don't know, my birthday is New Year's Eve. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. In today's video, I'm gonna just tell y'all what today is first, and then we're gonna go right into today's video. Today is Friday, December the 30th, and tomorrow is New Year's Eve. If you don't know, my birthday is New Year's Eve. I'm a Capricorn, and you know, I feel like they save the best for last because my birthday is literally the last day of the year. I look like a bum today, and I ain't trying to look like no bum on my birthday. I'm trying to look like a baddie. Today's video will consist of me, you know, doing my hair, because yeah, I can't be rocking no do-rag on my birthday. But we're gonna install a wig, and then my nails look like this. And we can't have our nails like that for our birthday. My toes, I ain't even gonna show y'all that because my toes look hideous. Today is gonna be a birthday get ready with me. I have some photos that I'm gonna take later, and I have a couple of reels and TikToks to post. I'm gonna try to record that in this video. This is basically gonna be a birthday get ready with me, so come along for the ride. So this is going to be the wig that I'm installing. It is the Zelina wig by the brand Sensationnel. It's one of their wet lace wigs. If you follow me on any social media platforms, I always have this wig on. I know your girls be like, why are you doing a synthetic wig for your birthday? But for me, the synthetic wigs just work. I feel like when I get drunk, like I plan on getting drunk, I don't have to worry about my curls. I don't have to worry about any of that. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get right into this install, baby. Baby, this is what the Zelina wig is hitting for. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is probably my favorite wig ever. This is what I wanted to look like for my birthday. This little synthetic wig was $50. She looked good. So now that my hair is looking good, my nails look like this. Yeah, we can't do that. So we're about to go ahead and hop right into the nails. I'm gonna do my nails myself. This is a whole DIY birthday yourself. My hair's gonna be done by me, my nails gonna be done by me, my toes gonna be done by me. So we're about to do my nails and my toes, so come along. So right now I'm getting ready to do my nails. Yeah, they look awful. Got a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon, so we're gonna see. This is my first time doing this. I got a little flash cure light. I also got a regular UV light. Then I also got a top coat, and I got, I think it's a glue, a UV glue. So this is the nail glue, And then this is the top coat. So yeah, we're about to do my nails and toes. I hope and pray this goes well, but if not, what can I do? I typically do acrylic on my toes, but right now I don't have anything at all on my toes. My toes look awful. I'm not going to show you what they look like because they look awful. I'll show you the after. And I got these tips. When I applied them with the UV gel. Got these from Amazon as well. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. So these are the toenails. I think I'm really going to like these because this is what the big toe looks like. Pretty big, clear, and it's square. I love square, so I feel like this is going to be perfect. These are the nails that I'm going to be using for my fingernails. I'm a plain Jane. I mean, every now and again I like to pop out, but I'm typically a plain Jane. Like, even though it's my birthday, I still got to live after this. I still got to go to work and, you know, be a mom, be a wife. So, like I said, these are some French tips. They do have like a cute little, I guess this would be considered like a ballerina or a coffin shape. So I'm going to apply those and just keep watching. The end of my birthday get ready with me. It's the day before, so I'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you what my fit's looking like, what my makeup's looking like. But this is my birthday get ready with me baddie on a budget is what I'm gonna call it, because this wig was $60. I installed it myself and you can't tell me that she's not cute. And these are the nails. These are the Kiss press-on nails. They look really good. And I think they were about $8 or so. And I did them myself with the gel UV light. And my toes, you already see what they look like. But it cost me roughly about $100. And I did everything myself. So birthday, get ready with me, baddie edition. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm getting ready to take my birthday photos. Y'all do not look at my house. My house is a complete mess. But I'm getting ready to take my birthday photos. I just finished my hair. That was the washer or the dryer. That was the dryer. I'm getting ready to do my birthday photos. I still have not took my Christmas decor down. I promise I will. But anyways, I already got some of the balloons. I got the 3 already blowed up. And right now what I'm about to do is get ready to blow up the number 4. I am 33, getting ready to turn 34. And I'm going to do like a little birthday transition where the balloons go from 33 to 34. I'll insert that, but basically I'm about to just show y'all how I'm about to do this. Y'all get the picture. I'm not gonna be 43, I'm gonna be 34. But y'all get the picture.
You know I'm the face of the city, bitch. That's why you mad. Little bitch.
Y'all, I was about to have like a whole mental breakdown because I have a bunch of content that I wanted to get filmed. Every time I get ready to film, something happened. Today I was like, oh, it's the day before my birthday, everything's gonna go good. Wrong. I have this little LED light that I attach to my camera, to my phone, my tripods. I put it everywhere when I'm ready to film, and look, it's broke. Just broke. But luckily, I had an old one here, and I got her on right now, and she's looking good. Because look, no light with the light. And I've had this thing for a very long time. Like, look what my content will look like without the light. So, yeah, I'm just going to charge this bad boy up, and then, you know, I'm going to come back on camera, and this isn't even as bright as it gets. This is the brightness. Until next time.